Hi, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in WordPress.com, the free version of WordPress. If you can find an easier way to do this, I invite you to write something or post something. This is interesting. So anyway, what I've done here is I'm taking this video here. It's titled "Do Women Earn Less Than Men?" Pretty good little instructional video. Anyway, so I'm in, just note first that in the edit window, I'm in the text editor, not the visual editor, but the text editor. Okay, that's important. It's very important. You can't do this without being here. What I've done is I've simply taken the direct link, or what's called the URL, from the address bar. Okay, I just copied that. And then I pasted that here as is. I've done nothing to it. Okay, now when let's say that this is all that I want. If I go to visual, okay, so, all right, so what you need to do, if you want to embed this, and if you want to make any customizations to it, you have to do a few things. One, you have to write in YouTube here in the beginning, okay, and then a space. And what that will do, that will create a short code, what's called a short code. It's called, actually, it should be called a short embed code, because if you look at the, if you pay attention at all to the embed codes from YouTube, you're going to see that they are this large. So my embed code is very short. And then if you want to add anything, specify a particular size, you can do that by just adding the size. You have to start it like this at the end, where it says at the end of the code here, you just add an ampersand, which means and then the W for width equals, I want mine to be 400, and then the height, so I want to add the height, put an ampersand plus an H equals, and then I want my height to be 315. All right, and to turn this into a short code, all you do is just add brackets at the beginning and at the end. Boom, that's a short code right there. So what this will do, this will present my video in the center, okay? It will center it in the post, and it will give me these dimensions. So if I go to visual here, and then I click update, you're going to see what appears. So there's the video, and notice that it's centered. I don't want it centered. Okay? I want it all the way over here to the left-hand column. So I'm going to go back into the text editor. Notice I'm here in the visual editor. I'm going to go back into the text editor. Okay? Now you have to do a few things here. You got to wrap some HTML text. Wrap may not be the right word, but I need to put some HTML text above and below it. And that text I just happen to have right here. Okay. And notice that there's a YouTube link. I'm going to remove that once I've pasted it here. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. Now remember, it's got to be in the text. You cannot do it anywhere else. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. It's a different video. I'm going to put this instruction here, this text, this HTML text, underneath the video. Okay, and then bring the rest of it up. So this should bring my video to the left. And again, I'm in text, so I'm going to go back to visual to look at it, and you'll see that HTML text is invisible in the visual editor. Still, I'm going to go ahead and update it. And when I do, and I go back to the public version, you'll see that the video bumps over to the left. But that's how you embed it. Okay, you can do that with any YouTube video. All right. So, yeah, you notice here that you see YouTube twice. It's just a direct link. You don't need an embed code to embed a YouTube video. So that's not in WordPress.com. You don't. And then all you need to do is just to create the short code, you got to put YouTube in the beginning, space between the HTTPS and the YouTube, and then the rest of the code, and then insert your custom size, spec, your specific dimensions. Put brackets on each end, and you've got it. Okay. So I just want I can go back in here. I'm going to add a title. I'm going to add some text and some commentary. But that's how it's done. Okay. So I hope that you benefited from this. Again, if you can find an easier, quicker way to do this, please leave a comment. Thank you.